If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. No! It just filled up. Okay, well that's the end of that. It's 2020, and as a business owner, you probably know by now that video content and video marketing is really powerful for your business to grow for free online. But what if video creation has never really been your jam? Maybe you've never gotten into making YouTube videos or TikTok videos. Well, you're in luck because Instagram Reels is here. It's a brand new feature from Instagram, and it makes video creation a whole lot easier. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through Instagram Reels for business and why you as a business owner should care. And stay tuned until the end, where I'm gonna share how you can get your hands on 300 video ideas that you can make to grow your business on Reels. Now, I know that might not sound super exciting because you might still be thinking, what is Reels? But don't worry, by the end of this video, I'm confident you'll be ready to experiment with Reels. I'm Elise Dharma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators like yourself use Instagram to actually grow your business. I'm talking dollars into your bank account. And today I'm going to cover Instagram Reels for business. Let's get started, but first I'm going to walk you through the 4 W's and the H. The first is who. Well, I'm not really talking about a person here, but by now you know that I'm talking about Instagram Reels. What are Instagram Reels? Well, according to Instagram itself, Reels are a new way to create and discover short, entertaining videos on Instagram. Where can you find Instagram Reels? As of recording, the best place to discover Reels is right on your Explore page. Right now, Reels are taking up about 2/3 of the real estate on this page. Once you tap on the title Reels, you're then going to be led down a scroll hole. All you have to do is keep scrolling down, and Instagram is going to show you more and more Reels that it thinks you're going to be interested in. Why? Why is Reels good for business? You might be like me. Whenever a new feature or app or tool or anything comes out, I'm a little skeptical. You might be thinking, aren't I busy enough with Instagram? I mean, I have the feed, I have stories, I have IGTV, I have going live, I have answering my DMs. Instagram can feel like a full-time job, so do I really need one more feature? I hear you on that, but this is why I think Reels is worth your attention today. In the last year, we have seen TikTok absolutely explode, and it's no secret that Reels is Instagram's play at TikTok. As you know, Instagram is owned by Facebook, and TikTok is owned by a company called ByteDance. Facebook's already seen that TikTok is pretty popular, so I think that Reels is Facebook's way of getting into this same market. That market being short-form video content. According to Adweek, TikTok in Q1 of 2020 was downloaded more times than any app had ever been downloaded before. And we all know in Q1 and Q2, a lot of us were in quarantine at that time. And guess who jumped on TikTok during quarantine? Millennials. Millennials are very attractive to advertisers, so it's no surprise that Facebook wanted to get in on that action as well. So we already know that TikTok is super popular and Reels is Instagram's play at TikTok, but how do you fit Reels into all the other features that we already have on Instagram? Here's how I think of Reels. Reels is the middle child in between Instagram Stories and IGTV. We have Instagram Stories on one hand, which are videos that disappear after 24 hours and they don't live on your feed. And then we have IGTV, which is really long form video content. And anyone who produces a series does really well with IGTV. So Reels fits into the middle because it's still 15-second video clips like stories, but they live on longer than 24 hours and they live in the feed. How? How do you use Instagram Reels for business? Let me ask you this. Are you struggling with low engagement? Try Reels. Do you want more followers? Try Reels. Do you want free exposure? Try Reels. The answer here is simple. Instagram has already proven to be an excellent sales and marketing tool for business. Don't believe me? Check out these videos for more on these topics. So yes, Reels is super new, but I've already identified 5 ways that Instagram Reels can grow your business for free online. The first way is by sharing educational content. Now this is my comfort zone. I mostly share educational content on Instagram, and it's really worked for me. So if this could work for your audience and market, think about what tips, how-tos, hacks, resources that you can share in the form of a 15-second video. The second way your business can grow is by sharing inspiration. Yes, people follow accounts to feel inspired. So how can you as a business help someone feel inspired about their health? Maybe the physical form they want to achieve. Maybe it's their wealth or how they want their business or personal finances to grow. Maybe it's their relationships. In what way do you help people get a little bit more of what they want? That's what I want you to showcase in 15-second video clips on Reels. The key here is to really focus on the after, right? Your audience is probably in the before phase of how you help them in whatever way that is. So when you're creating inspirational video, you really want to illustrate the after. Here's a hint. The green screen effect might be really useful for you here. The third way your business can grow with Reels is by showcasing your products. And by that, I mean really showing them. I want to see demos. I want to see customers using them. I want to see tutorials. I want to see all angles and aspects of your product. Now, this could be a physical or a digital product, but Reels allows you to show your product in action. No more talking about your product's features. I want you to actually show the benefits of your product in video form. If you nail this, this is what's going to help you sell more through Instagram. The fourth way your business can grow through Reels is by showcasing your community. Yes, this is the perfect way to make it not about you, but about your audience. What client can you feature? Which customer review can you showcase? Which alumni can you show off and share how far they've come? Which Facebook group member can you highlight? Whose business can you shout out? You see where I'm going with this? Reels is a great way for you to shout out other businesses or customers, which also helps people know that your product or service or offer works for other people too. The fifth way Reels helps your business grow is it helps you showcase your personality. The bottom line is for most of us, people do business with people and not necessarily brands. You might be funny and your followers might have no idea. Reels is a great way to showcase your sense of humor, your taste in music, your fun side. Hint, you can use the effects to do that, or if you dare, your dance moves. Okay, so now that we've covered Instagram Reels for business, I want to know on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most interested, what's your interest level? Are you going to use Instagram Reels for your business? Let me know in a comment below. If you're ready to take the next step in your business and you want to try out Reels, I have something really juicy for you. It's 300 video ideas that you can create to grow your coaching, product, or service-based business. That's right, I've done the brainstorming for you. Go ahead and go to reelsvault.co and grab your 300 video ideas for Reels. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today's video on Instagram Reels for business. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. No! It just filled up. Okay, well that's the end of that. My memory card is done.